Bad credit ruining your life? You're not alone, and it's fixable. Whether you're a student, immigrant, or just made mistakes, today I'm giving you the exact steps to fix your credit score fast, even if you're starting from 500. Watch till the end. These tools and hacks work in 2025, and most people still aren't using them. Let's get into it. Step 1. Understand how your credit score works. Your score is based on 5 things. Payment history, 35%. Pay late, score drops. Credit utilization, 30%. Maxed out cards, equals red flag. Credit age, 50%. Older accounts help. New credit, printnos. Too many recent applications, bad. Credit mix, tiene. A mix of loans and cards, equal bonus points. We'll use these to fix your score, step by step. Step 2. Check your credit report and score. You can't fix what you don't see. Go to annualcreditreport.com. Get reports from Experian, TransUnion, Equifax for free. Use Credit Karma or Credit Sesame to monitor your score and alerts. Look for errors, late payments, collections, maxed cards. Fixing just one error can boost your score instantly. Step 3. Dispute credit report errors. Found a mistake? Dispute it online with the bureau reporting it. Send proof, bank statements, letters, screenshots. They must respond in 30 days by law. One removed collection or wrong late payment, you'll 50 points jump. Step 4. Lower credit utilization, pay down cards. Are you using more than 30% of your credit card limits? Bad news, that crushes your score. Here's how to fix it. Pay down high-interest cards, spread balances across cards, ask for a credit limit increase, or consolidate with a personal loan. Example, you owe $900 on a $1,000 card, 90%. Pay it down to $300. Let's see on days. Your score jumps almost immediately. Step 5, always pay on time. Late payments are credit killers. Set auto pay for minimums at least. Use calendar alerts or budgeting apps. One late payment equals 7 years on your report. 1 year of on-time payments equals massive score rebound. Step 6, add positive credit, tools that build fast. If you've got bad or no credit, add new positive info, secured credit card, discover it secured, Capital One. Credit Builder Loan, Self, Credit Strong, Chime Credit Builder Card, no fees, no interest, reports to all 3 bureaus. Experian Boost, ads, Netflix, phone bills, rent to your score. Authorized user hack, get added to someone else's good card. These tools can boost your score within months. Bonus tips by category for students. Start with a student card or secured card. Use Experian Boost for phone bills. Avoid maxing out small limits for immigrants. Use IIN to open secured card check Nova. Credit to import international score. Try Experian. Go to start your U.S. credit file for self-employed. Budget a regular income. Use AutoPay to avoid forgetfulness. Separate personal and business credit. Step 7. Don't over-apply too many hard inquiries. Hurts your score. Only apply for 1 to 2 products per 6 months. Let your current accounts grow before opening new ones. Step 8. Monitor and grow. Track your score monthly with Credit Karma, Chime, or Experian. Check reports every 3-4 months for updates or errors. Keep balances low, never miss payments, and avoid closing old accounts. Fixing bad credit isn't easy, but it's possible. If you follow everything here, your score can start improving in as little as 30 days. Drop your current credit score in the comments and let us know your goal. Hit that like if you learned something and subscribe to MoneyWise so we can keep making content like this just for you. Your credit score doesn't define you, but it can unlock the life you want. Let's build it together.